Are you a health or a fitness business owner and you're looking to attract new clients and really stand out in a saturated market? Or maybe you're someone who wants to earn extra money in a side gig doing something really fun that you love to do that's good for you and also helps you to make an incredible, powerful impact on the women in your community. If either of those things sound like you, then listen up, because I want to share with you how my instructor certification program can help you to generate more revenue and get better results for your clients and your students. So, what is this belly dance solution method certification? Well, since 2019, I have had over 30,000 women join my belly dance solution program that helps women to strengthen their pelvic floor and relieve bladder leaking with belly dance. And I don't know of any other method for this issue that is so fun, that's an incredible workout, and that actually helps a woman feel better about herself. So today in this video, I want to share with you 4 reasons why this certification will really help you to stand out and offer something that nobody in your community is offering. So number 1, it's unique. I can guarantee you that nobody in your community is offering this, and this is such a huge problem. I will get to that later on. But you know, there are so many different trends that if you get in there at the ground floor, you are going to be able to get traction like nobody's business. Do you remember when Zumba came out and it was the hot new trend? Well, this is going to be the same, because not only is it a fitness trend, but it's something that helps to solve a health problem that so many women have. It's dance fitness plus a health benefit. Number 2, it's effective. As I said, I've had thousands of women join this program, and so many women have had incredible results in improving and sometimes even completely eliminating their bladder leaking problem. Now, does this work for everybody? Of course not. That would be crazy for me to say that. But I do know that for so many women, this has literally changed their lives. Before doing this program, they were just accepting that bladder leaking was going to be a part of their life for the rest of their life, and there was nothing that they were going to be able to do about it. So they were limiting their activities, they stopped running, they stopped going on long hikes, they were looking for bathrooms wherever they went, and after doing this program within weeks or months, they got their lives back, they got their freedom, and they reclaimed their body, and they felt empowered and confident in their own skin. So I know that for many women, this program is the only thing that has worked for them, and they have all these other cool side benefits as well. Number 3, it is in high demand. Did you know that 1 in 3 women has bladder leaking? This is, leaking a little urine when you laugh, cough, sneeze, or jump. Literally millions of women all over the world have this problem, and it's one of the biggest issues that women will have in their lifetime. So whether a woman has it now, it's also a good reason to strengthen your pelvic floor before you get that issue. So it is a problem that is in super high demand with very few good solutions for it. There are very few natural and effective solutions for bladder leaking, and honestly, I can't think of another solution that is actually fun and that helps a woman actually feel better about herself. The 4th reason why getting this certification will really make you a standout in your community is because it creates a buzz. Whenever I tell people about what I do, that I help women to strengthen their pelvic floor and relieve bladder leaking with belly dancing, it immediately creates a buzz. It creates curiosity. Immediately it gets people's attention. And if you have a health or a fitness business, or you're wanting to earn extra money doing this, this is going to attract buzz, attract attention very naturally. And I think that's really hard to do these days because in every profession, there's already so many people doing what you do, whether it's fitness or health. I personally used to be an acupuncturist, and it was really hard to market myself to stand out because it seemed like everybody was doing the same thing. So when you offer something that nobody else is offering, you have the ability to really stand out, and it makes marketing so much easier. So if you want to learn more about this program, I'm going to put the link in the description box below. The doors close on September 17th, and I have two different versions of the program this time. I have an on-demand and I have a live version with a ton of support. So even if you've never belly danced before, or if you have, you think you could never teach it, well, think again. I've been teaching for 20 plus years, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that inside this program, step by step, and I will guide you every step of the way. Now is your opportunity to help women in the most profound ways. Honestly, I feel so lucky and grateful that every day I get to do something that really helps women and helps them to live their life more fully, to be happier and healthier and more fit, and feel good in their own skin. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you inside the program.